Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a trailering package. Taking a look at the back here, you got that tow hitch, tow hook of course, full-size spare tire, backup camera. You have a lift glass that can lift up, providing you with easy access to the back as well. Your gas cap's right there, white fenders, nice gripped running board with heated door mirrors. And moving to the front, we do have 2 hooks as well, license plate bracket, and that nice Jeep grille. And taking a look in the back here, you do get plenty of cargo space. You got nice hooks. We got an Alpine sound system. Your body's molded to the outside color, which is pretty nice. 12-volt outlet. And lifting it up, you do get quite a bit of storage, and you have little tools spots to put your bolts when you decide to take your door and roof off, which is all pretty nice. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leathering with gray stitching. We have a cargo net on each of the doors, fans. You can open up your back windows from here. 2 USB-Cs as well as a USB-D. USB, not USB-D. We do have a 115-volt outlet, little storage cubbies right there. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and plenty of arm room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual with the same black leathering we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Sahara logo. We do get another bigger cargo net. You can adjust your mirrors from there. You have your lights just right there as well with your fans. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 21,118 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your cruise control settings there, toggle for your screen, phone, voice, mode, and then you have your volume just over there. And looking at your main screen here, you have your digital speedometer, vehicle info, off-road settings, fuel economy, trip info, stop and start, audio, messages, screen setup, and so on and so forth. And over here you have your 4-wheel drive. You have your gear shift with the nice little Jeep logo there, parking brake, cup holders, leather-wrapped center console with storage above, and lifting this up you do have storage underneath with the USB. You have your 12-volt right there, some storage. You can open and close your windows from there. Media, such as a USB, USB-C, and an aux. You have 4, oh my, let me try to angle that, 4 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. Dual climate, you have your tune, volume, mute, auto stop, auto start, traction, and you can turn your screen off from there. We got the nice little grab handle right there, as well as grab handles there, and we do get a nice hardtop. Got your fans, of course, a nice leather-wrapped dash with some storage above. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which has SiriusXM capabilities, AM, FM, Bluetooth, so on and so forth. Your climate controls are just right there, or you can control them from here, whatever you prefer. Your controls, such as your mirror dimmer, backup camera, that's what that looks like. Oop, come on. And your settings in general, any apps you may have downloaded, travel link, management, settings, so on and so forth. Your navigation, phone, and your settings, display, camera, so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7702, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.